Good afternoon. Bob Dalton coming to you from Allendale's trading floor here in McHenry, Illinois. It is Monday, April 5th, 2010, the first full trading week of the quarter as well as the month. We started out with some low volume. There are still several countries that have markets closed for the Easter holiday here on Easter Monday, if you will. So light volume trading here today. We had higher crude oil, crude actually going through and breaking some significant resistance lines today, trading up above 86. Currently it's sitting at 86.72, up $1.85 in the electronics. The dollar right now down 17.5 at 81.27. How do the grains react to this outside market moves? Well, corn managed to pull a penny and a quarter higher today at 3.45 3/4 nearby contract. Wheat was down a penny and a quarter at 4.53.5. Beans pulled back a little bit more. They're down 6 cents today at 9.36 in the nearby contract. So very light volume in the grains. Beans are still trading within the range they've established since February, and nothing exceptional to come out of any of the grain markets today worth really talking about. We'll see what happens once those international markets open up again tomorrow, and everybody is back at their desk ready to work. Over to the livestock. There was a little more activity going on today in the livestock. Start off with the hogs. They are still buying this market off of the bullish hogs and pigs report we saw back over a week ago now. Today we were up 210 in the April contract at 76.22.5. Cattle market. Fats were up 67.5 today at 97.32.5. Feeders up 227.5 at 112.65. We had steady cattle trade last week, cash cattle trade. Not a whole lot of movement there on the cash market for the fats. However, I've talked to a couple of clients today in the feeder market, and we are slowly seeing feeder cash prices come up. That's due in large part to, from what I believe, the fact that these feedlots are emptying out. The cattle are being slaughtered. They're emptying out, and there's not much that they have left in there right now. So now you got your feeder demand starting to pick up, and of course the funds are long feeders right now as well as fats, and these prices are reacting. The cash price now starting to react to what the board's doing, and the board actually moving pretty well as on its own. And this relates, of course, I'm talking about your heavier feeders. Your 800 plus, 700 plus pound feeders are starting to feel this. The lighter guys have been doing really well pretty much all along, but now your heavier weight feeders are being looked at and picking up some cash for themselves, additional cash for themselves as well. So, as what's going on in the cattle market right now, feedlots are slimming down in volume. Feeders are becoming front runners for demand right now. They want to fill up those lots again. So we do anticipate to see these feeder prices to continue to go on up until either the funds pull on out or we actually realize that this meat needs a place to go to be eaten. And if demand is not sitting there waiting on the other end and we can't export it, we'll see these prices start to cool off a little bit. Right now, unemployment numbers, or jobless claims, I should say, for last week were better. So that's a push in the right direction for beef demand. It also pushed the crude market up higher here today. We'll see if we can withstand that for the rest of the month. If we're going to keep putting people back to work, then wonderful. But in the meantime, be sure to get your hedges on if you are, in fact, a feeder or a cattle producer, and you want to protect these downsides and some of your more deferred contracts. We are still recommending you do that, and we'll wait and see when the funds want to take their money and go home. Outside from that, from the markets, Allendale here announced that we are discounting our research for a limited time. You're going to want to pick up the phone and call a broker here. 800-262-7538 is the number. I think the numbers or the prices that I heard were you get 13 months of our research for less than the price of 12 regularly, and we're giving you Allendale on the go free of charge. So you're definitely going to want to take advantage of that while it's still available. And to tell you the truth, I don't even know when it's expiring. They won't tell us, the brokers, how long they're going to run this for. So it could be over tomorrow. It could be over a week from tomorrow. The bottom line is call in and get signed up. We also had our research meeting this afternoon. That is available to subscribers. So if you want to get a piece of what we talked about in our research meeting, which is led by Bill Biederman and Rich Nelson, give us a call. We might be able to get you a copy of this week's to give you a taste of what to expect if you do sign up. But again, that's something that's only available to subscribers. So if you have questions, want to talk to a broker, want to sign up for our research, just want to chat about what the USDA may do next with our numbers, feel free to give us a call. Phone number is 800-262-7538, or find us on the web at www.allendale-inc.com. Thank you very much, and have a great trading week.